A blue light in your rearview mirror can be a sign of trouble. It could mean a ticket. But is a blue light flashing in space a sign of anything? News.com has learned scientists are trying to figure that out. NASA has a nerdy name for it, a luminous fast blue optical transient. We know it's the result of an explosion. But that doesn't really explain what it is. Especially since the latest LFBOT is in an area of the heavens where scientists normally don't see one. A NASA statement released Thursday, October 5, said the Hubble Space Telescope found an LFBOT far between two galaxies, on April 10, 2023. That was unusual, because astronomers had thought LFBOTs really were dying stars from supernova. But LFBOTs are a relatively new thing for astronomers. The first one was spotted in 2018, about 200 million light-years from Earth. Astronomers named it the Cow. They are captured only once a year, NASA explained. The latest one, dubbed the Finch, was gone in a few days, according to Space.com. It was far too hot for humans to handle, anyway. Measurements made by a telescope in Chile determined the LFBOT burned at 36,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's more than 3 times the surface temperature of our Sun. With the closest galaxy 15,000 light-years away from the Finch, astronomers are developing new theories about them. One idea is that a black hole is between the galaxies. Stars entering the black hole get torn apart, producing the flashing blue light. Another possibility is that two neutron stars finally collided after heading toward each other for years, with one of the stars somehow magnetized. The more we learn about LFBOTs, the more they surprise us, NASA astronomer Ashley Crime said. The location of the Finch is not what we expect for any kind of supernova. She admitted the new information poses many more questions than it answers. Astronomers agree that more LFBOTs need to be discovered so that theoreticians can better characterize the population of these elusive transient events, a NASA summary said. Translation: scientists need to find more of them to study. A full report on the Finch will appear in a future edition of the monthly notice//academic. oup.com/mnrs/CES of the Royal Astronomical Society. The 6-month gap between the LFBOT discovery and NASA's announcement is apparently because of copyright laws. All Hubble data becomes non-proprietary after 6 months, NASA's Hubble site explains. The discovery shows the Hubble Space Telescope remains valuable to NASA, even though the James Webb Telescope has received much more publicity lately. Hubble went into orbit in April 1990 from the Space Shuttle Discovery. NASA has conducted 5 servicing missions since then to improve its view. While no service has been conducted since 2009, NASA plans to keep Hubble in operation for several more years. Then it will either be adjusted to a higher orbit or be attached to a robot spacecraft and brought back to Earth.